Imagine this. You're exploring a new city. The sun is shining. You want to learn about the historical landmarks around you, but you also want to enjoy the sights and sounds of your surroundings. This is where your iPhone's hidden superpower comes in. Speak Screen. This amazing feature reads any text on your screen out loud. That's right, your phone becomes your personal narrator. No more struggling to read on bumpy bus rides or while walking. Speak Screen lets you multitask like never before. Listen to articles while you work out. Catch up on your favorite blogs while cooking dinner. The possibilities are endless. Speak Screen is a game changer for anyone who wants to enjoy hands-free reading anytime, anywhere. This isn't just for tech wizards, it's incredibly easy to use. And the best part, it's already on your iPhone, hidden in plain sight. Ready to unlock this amazing feature? Let's dive in. Enabling Speak Screen is a breeze. It only takes a few taps on your iPhone's screen. First, find the Settings app. It's the one with the gray icon that looks like gears. Tap on it to open. Next, scroll down until you see Accessibility. This section is all about making your iPhone easier to use for everyone. Tap on Accessibility to continue. Now look for Spoken Content. This is where you'll find all the cool features related to your iPhone speaking to you. Tap on Spoken Content. Finally, you found it. The Speak Screen option should be right there. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Easy, right? Now you're ready to experience the magic of hands-free reading. With Speak Screen enabled, your iPhone can now read any text you want. Imagine having a personal narrator with you at all times, ready to read out anything you need. There are 2 easy ways to activate it. These methods are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that anyone can use them without any hassle. The first way is super simple. Just swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of your screen. This gesture is quick and efficient, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It's like you're telling your iPhone to start reading. This method is especially useful when you need to quickly access information without typing or searching. The second way is to use your voice. Voice commands are becoming increasingly popular and for good reason. Just say, "Hey Siri, Speak Screen." This hands-free option is perfect for multitasking or when your hands are full. Siri will start reading the text on your screen immediately. It's like having your own personal assistant who is always ready to help. It's like having your own personal assistant. This feature can be incredibly helpful for those with visual impairments or anyone who prefers listening over reading. As your iPhone reads, a small control panel will appear on your screen. This panel is designed to give you full control over the reading experience. This panel lets you control the playback. You can easily navigate through the text being read. You can pause or resume the reading, giving you the flexibility to take breaks whenever you need, rewind, or fast forward. This ensures you can go back to catch something you missed or skip ahead to the parts you're most interested in. You can even control the speaking speed. Whether you prefer a slower pace to absorb information, or a faster one to get through content quickly, want to slow things down or speed things up, no problem. The speed control feature is there to cater to your personal preferences. Speak Screen works with all sorts of apps. This means you can use it across different platforms and for various types of content. Listen to news articles in Apple News, stay updated with the latest news without having to read through lengthy articles, enjoy audiobooks in Apple Books, dive into your favorite stories and books, all read aloud for your convenience, even have your emails read aloud. The possibilities are endless. From work emails to personal messages, let your iPhone do the reading for you. Speak Screen is even more powerful with its customization options. You can tailor the experience to perfectly suit your preferences. Want the control panel to always stay visible? No problem. Just go back to the Speak Screen settings and toggle on Show Controller. You can even adjust the control panel's transparency. If you find it distracting, make it more transparent. If you need it to be more visible, make it more opaque. It's all about what works best for you. Don't like the default voice? No worries. Speak Screen lets you choose from a variety of different voices. You can even select different languages. Want your iPhone to read to you in Spanish or French? Go for it. To make following along easier, turn on Highlight Content. As your iPhone reads, the words being spoken will be highlighted on the screen. It's like having a personal highlighter that follows along with the narration. Pretty cool, right? Speak Screen is a traveler's best friend. Whether you're navigating a bustling city or relaxing in a quiet corner of the world, this feature transforms your iPhone into an indispensable travel companion. Long flights, train journeys, or car rides become opportunities to catch up on your reading list. Imagine diving into your favorite novel or exploring new articles without having to carry physical books or magazines. Listen to audiobooks, articles, or even travel guides without ever taking your eyes off the road or the stunning scenery. This way you can enjoy the journey and stay informed simultaneously. Imagine this. You're exploring a new city on foot. The streets are alive with the sounds of local life, and every corner holds a new discovery. Instead of burying your face in a guidebook, let SpeakScreen narrate the history and significance of the landmarks around you. This allows you to stay engaged with your surroundings while learning fascinating facts. You can fully immerse yourself in the experience, taking in the sights and sounds while learning about the city's rich past. It's like having a personal tour guide who never gets tired. Downtime at the hotel becomes more relaxing than ever. After a long day of exploring, you can kick back and let SpeakScreen read you a book or catch you up on the latest news. Instead of straining your eyes after a long day of sightseeing, let SpeakScreen read you a book or catch you up on the latest news. This way you can unwind and recharge while still staying informed and entertained. Learning a new language? SpeakScreen can help. It's perfect for those moments when you want to relax, but still be productive. Listen to foreign language texts while following along with the written words. This dual approach helps reinforce your learning, making it easier to remember new vocabulary and phrases. This helps improve your pronunciation and comprehension. You can practice speaking along with the text, ensuring you get the accent just right. It's like having a personal language tutor in your pocket. With SpeakScreen, your iPhone becomes more than just a device, it becomes your ultimate travel companion, enhancing every aspect of your journey. Section 6. Mastering SpeakScreen Tips and Tricks for Pros. In this section, we will dive deep into some advanced techniques and strategies that will help you get the most out of the SpeakScreen feature on your iPhone. Ready to take your SpeakScreen game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these tips will enhance your experience and make your iPhone even more powerful. Here are a few pro tips that can significantly improve your usage of SpeakScreen. When reading articles on websites, enable Reader Mode in Safari. This feature simplifies the web page, removing unnecessary elements. This removes ads and distractions, making for a cleaner listening experience. You'll find it much easier to focus on the content that matters. You can usually find the Reader Mode button in the address bar of your browser. It's a small but powerful tool. It looks like a group of lines. Once you recognize it, enabling Reader Mode becomes second nature. Install a content blocker app on your iPhone. These apps are designed to filter out unwanted content. These apps block ads and pop-ups, ensuring that SpeakScreen only reads the content you want to hear. No more annoying interruptions. This can be a game changer for your reading experience. Keep in mind that SpeakScreen automatically flips pages in supported apps. This feature is incredibly useful for long reads. This means you can sit back and relax while listening to a whole book or a long article without having to lift a finger. It's like having your own personal narrator. Download books, articles, and PDFs for offline reading. This ensures you have access to your favorite content even when you're not connected to the internet. This is especially useful when traveling to areas with limited internet access. You won't have to worry about losing your place or missing out on important information. You can enjoy your favorite content anytime, anywhere, even without a Wi-Fi connection. This flexibility makes SpeakScreen an indispensable tool for avid readers and travelers alike. Section 7. Overcoming obstacles, SpeakScreen, and tricky texts. While SpeakScreen is incredibly versatile, it can sometimes stumble with complex layouts. For example, it might read columns in a PDF out of order. If this happens, don't worry. You can use the Speak on Touch feature as a workaround. Just tap on the specific text you want SpeakScreen to read. Ads and distracting elements on web pages can also interrupt the flow of your listening experience. To minimize this, try using Reader Mode in Safari or installing a content blocker app. These tools can help create a cleaner and more enjoyable listening experience. Remember, technology isn't perfect. There might be times when SpeakScreen encounters a hiccup. But, with a little patience and these helpful tips, you can overcome these obstacles and enjoy the many benefits of this amazing feature. Section 8. Embrace the power of SpeakScreen. SpeakScreen is more than just a cool iPhone feature. It's a tool that can enhance your life in countless ways. It promotes accessibility, making information and entertainment accessible to everyone. It unlocks new possibilities for multitasking, learning, and enjoying your downtime. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, a frequent traveler, or simply someone who enjoys hands-free reading, SpeakScreen has something to offer you. Embrace its power and discover a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Don't let this hidden gem remain hidden any longer. Enable SpeakScreen today and unlock a world of knowledge, entertainment, and convenience. You won't regret it. Section 9. Join the conversation. Share your SpeakScreen journey. Now that you've discovered the magic of SpeakScreen, we want to hear from you. How has this feature changed your digital life? What are your favorite ways to use it? Share your experiences, tips, and tricks in the comments below. Let's create a community of SpeakScreen enthusiasts who can learn from and inspire each other. Together, we can unlock the full potential of this amazing accessibility feature and make the digital world a more inclusive and enjoyable place for everyone.